This is the Blaze Professional Gas Grill. It's available in 2, 3, and 4 burner configurations. Today we're checking out the 3 burner model. The cooking grids measure 30 3/4 inches wide by 20 inches deep and can grill up to 25 4-inch round hamburgers at a time. The grids are made of 12mm thick 304 stainless steel rods, which allow for maximum heat retention, providing flawless sear marks every time. The hexagonal shape of the rods allows for more hot surface contact with your food, which means more caramelization and flavor on anything you grill. The cooking grids are so heavy duty that each section weighs in at 11.5 pounds. Under the cooking grids, the flame stabilizing grids distribute the burner's heat evenly across the entire surface, and at the same time protect the burners from drippings by instantly vaporizing them and directing the flavor back to your food. Their impressive flame stabilization grids are made of 12-gauge thick 304 grade stainless steel, providing durability and incredibly even heat distribution. Each of the flame stabilizers weighs in at 4.5 pounds. Between each burner, the Blaze Professional has heat zone dividers, which make it easy to section off different temperature zones across the grill surface, allowing you the flexibility of a sear zone on one end while having lower finishing temperatures on the other. At the heart of this cooking system, the Blaze Professional Grill has 3 H-style 304 cast stainless steel burners. Each heavy-duty burner weighs in at 7 pounds. The burners are rated for 18,000 BTUs each, delivering an impressive 54,000 total BTUs of cooking power. With all burners on high, this setup produces enough heat to conveniently sear things like steak or even tuna steak across the entire surface of the grill. Below the burners, the drip pan baffles radiate heat back up towards your food, and for easy cleaning, they can be removed without the use of any tools. The control panel of Blaze's Professional series features polished control knobs, and the grill's edge is contoured for a unique, sleek look. For evening entertaining, this button on the top turns on the 2 internal halogen lights, allowing you to easily grill into the night. And this lower button controls the sophisticated red LED lights, which illuminate the control knobs for an impressive look, while also helping you to easily adjust the temperature at night. The burners are easily ignited with push and turn flamethrower style ignition, and for secondary ignition, each burner has its own dedicated flash tube. The Blaze Professional comes with a rotisserie kit with an included waterproof rotisserie motor. The included rear infrared burner delivers 10,000 BTUs of heat, providing an incredible outer crust to any food you choose to rotisserie. Other nice features on the Blaze Professional Grill include hanging hooks on the back of the grill for clean, simple storage of your rotisserie rod, an easy read thermometer on the hood, a removable warming rack for added grill real estate, and to keep cleanup simple, the full-width drip pan slides out easily on smooth glide rollers. For models on a cart, the 2 spacious side shelves give plenty of workspace and can easily fold down for convenient storage. The right side of the cart has an access door for propane storage, and on the left-hand side has 2 spacious drawers for easy organization. Now we'll perform our XRF test on the Blaze Professional Grill. The test showed that the firebox, burners, flame stabilizers, and cooking grids are all 304 stainless steel. The inside and outside of the hood are 304 stainless steel, and the control panel and drip pan also tested as 304 stainless steel.